If you're an event planner putting together a convention or a conference, I want to be your favorite. Hey there, this is Darren LaCroix, Keynote speaker. I'll help you get more attendees. One of the things I love doing is putting together an invite video with highlights of what people will get from your conference. Check it out. Hey there, what are you doing October 19th and 20th? If you're in the medical billing world, you simply must join us. If you have your own medical billing company, if you dream of having your own, or if you're a coder and it's part of your career, join us. Planet Hollywood for the American Medical Billing Association National Convention. You're gonna reconnect with old friends. You're gonna get new friends. But this is the one place that they understand your world and what you do. There's gonna be speakers, breakout sessions to help you get to that next level. You're gonna have some of the best answers happening in the hallway. That's why you've gotta join us. There'll be game-changing sessions like the Lyles Report, Getting Compliance Update. There'll be panels with Ronald Chapman, Eric Rubenstein, Sean Weiss about helping you with compliance investigation and legal perspectives. There'll be breakout sessions including branding and marketing from a successful medical billing company. Get their secrets. And Brenda Edwards is going to bring you a topic on coding. Join us live in Las Vegas, Center Strip, right across from the Bellagio fountains. There's headliners everywhere you look. You can have so much fun, but most importantly, build your business, your practice, and your career. Who am I? My name is Darren LaCroix. In 1992, I bombed miserably at a comedy club in Boston. It was horrible. Fast forward to 2001, I became the world champion of public speaking out of 25,000 contestants. I was invited to share my story about my book, 17 Minutes to Your Dream. You're gonna walk away with secrets, a simple strategy to help you make progress towards your dream. Don't miss it. Join us live here in Las Vegas. We're gonna have some fun, we're gonna up your business, and we will just connect. That's why you gotta be here in Las Vegas. Join us, Planet Hollywood, Center Strip, for the American Medical Billing Association Convention. Don't miss out. Save your seat. If your convention or conference is here in Vegas, I'll film it in front of the place you're having your event. If it's not, I'll still create the video. Just let me know what highlights you want in your invite video. I love inspiring and educating audiences. I love what I do for a living. Check out my availability and let me be your favorite.